Describe your HSL journey in one word.
Hectic, but very exciting and very fulfilling.
Excellent. A roller coaster bull run.
Fantastic.
It's been a great journey for me.
Full of action, adventure and fun.
HSL is turning 25 and we have cornered our leaders. Let's see how they handle the heat. Hi Anand.
Hi, how are you?
What's that untapped business venture into the next 2-3 years? What do you think is it going to look like?
So, if you look at it in terms of the industry, there have been very new entrants who've been able to make an impact on the derivative segment.
What trait do you value the most in people you work with?
Integrity,
How has the company culture evolved during your time at HDFC Securities?
more high energy. I think that's what I've seen in the last 18 months since I've been here.
If you could change one thing about hiring in finance, what would that be?
I think I'd want people to not just know the numbers in the finance, but also the application of that in the business.
What's the biggest shift in investor behavior you've noticed in the last 5 years?
They have become more digital savvy.
Where do we stand out as compared to the competitors?
Core strength of HSL has been the trust, our research.
What's harder, predicting the market or predicting investors' behavior?
Predicting investor behavior is much tougher.
So, what's the most important thing to consider while strategizing for such a big brand?
Our obsession is around adding largest value to the customer, maintaining the safety and trust at any given point in time.
How has your team evolved with time?
When I joined this company 20 years back, there were hardly 8 branches. So gradually, we evolved. We were about 230 plus.
One message for HSL, last message.
You live only once, give it your best.
We are the one-stop solution for all your investment needs.
And it's you that made us in the last 25 years whatever we are.
Thank you for your passion, dedication, and belief in our mission.
Guess what? They handled the pressure really well. And if you didn't know about HSL, well, now you do.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.